Cindy, my name's Caitlin. We're going to move forward with trespassing you from our library for not following staff directive and banging the mouse. So you need to know you cannot revisit the library in a year, or you will be subject to arrest. That's all locations.
He didn't give me no trespass warning. He just told me to stop. But I have music on, so I can't hear anything outside of here.
Okay, this is the trespass warning, and you can appeal that by mail, email, or through the web. So we'll give you this paperwork.
Okay.
And we're going to have to ask you to leave.
Okay, that's fine.
And then that's your legal trespass paperwork from the city of Orlando.
All right. What is his name?
I'm sorry?
What's his name?
My name?
No, the person that. What's his name? The
For
person
what?
that complained?
No one complained. You're just not following staff directive.
There's a name though. There's a name though.
My name's on it. It's Officer Jalen Chris.
No, the person that made the complaint.
Come in. You're leaving right now, or you're going to end up going to jail, okay? So
I can't go to jail because I didn't do anything. I didn't commit any crime.
A library, Burlingame, Florida. A woman told to leave. One word standing between her and the exit and name. Library staff issued a formal trespass warning, a civil notice with legal consequences attached. Under Florida statute 810.09, once that notice is served, remaining on the property is trespass after warning. The officer's name was already on the paperwork she was holding. She kept asking anyway.
This is one more chance. You stand up and leave, or I arrest you right now.
I'm not scared of your arrest.
I'm not trying to make you scared.
No, you're very unprofessional. All of you.
Okay. You're going to get up, or we're going to go to jail?
You're very unprofessional.
There we go.
I'll meet you downstairs. I'll walk this.
Okay.
It's fine because I'm going to sue you guys. I'm going to sue you guys.
Just grab your stuff. You don't need to worry about any of that. Grab your stuff and let's start walking towards the exit.
You're not going to tell me what to do. You're telling me to leave, so I take my time to leave. And you're going to have to get ready for a lawsuit. What's your name?
Ma'am, start making your way towards the door
What's
with
your name?
things.
You don't even use
You're now
your
under
name.
arrest.
You didn't even.
Stop.
I'm just asking for a name.
Now under arrest.
I'm just asking for a
Stop.
name.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not resisting. I'm about to leave. How can I be arrested if I'm
Oscar
about to leave?
700. Can I get a 45, please?
I'm about to
Put
leave.
your hands behind your back. I don't want to hurt you. Stop.
I'm about to leave though.
Stop.
I was just looking at the name. I was just looking at the name, sir. I was just looking at the name. I was just looking at the name.
Stop.
I was just looking at the name. I
Stop.
promise you, I was just looking at the name.
We're on the 4th floor. I'm going to have a
I was not resisting. I was just looking at the name and asking for the first name.
Stop moving. Stop. I don't want to hurt you, ma'am.
Excuse me,
Stop.
sir. Just let me explain. I was just looking at the name. You saw me get up. You saw me get up. I was about to leave. I promise you.
If I move her now, I'm going to hurt her, so I'm just going to wait.
I was just asking for the name.
That's all right.
Please.
I got you.
Sir, I was just
I
asking
have
for the
one
name.
resisting. Just send me 45. Don't
I'm
initiate a
not
44.
resisting. Oh my God.
I'm holding her now. I just need one more to help me cuff.
I was just asking you for the name, sir. I'm not even resisting.
You going to let me put your hand in this cuff, or are you going to wait for 4 more people to come and do it?
I'm just, can you please listen to what I'm saying, because the whole time you guys did not listen. I
They're
had
here, so I'm
music
just going to wait for
on.
them.
I had music on.
Okay, well now
I
you're under
promise
arrest.
you, I'm not going to come to this library. I don't really care about this library like that.
Okay.
I
Well, you
was
should have
not
left when I
resisting.
said
I just
to.
asked you for the name because this is a situation that I have to appeal. So I didn't see your first name. That's it. I was just about to leave. I have no problem leaving. That's not even worth me going through all that.
When you guys come up to the 4th floor, go to your right, past the computers. Back like you're going to the back of the library.
You're making all this for a big deal for no reason. Sorry, I'm not objecting. You're making this a big deal for no reason. I was asking for the name. The lady just mentioned appeal, and that's all I was doing. Just for asking for a name?
We gave you the name now.
No, you didn't. I just asked for the first name. I honestly, J. Cruz. How am I supposed to appeal that and take a further matter without no name? And I'm asking her for a name. Nobody wants to give me their name. How is that even giving me a trespass when I'm about to leave?
One on the left arm.
I'm about to literally leave.
Do as you're told, please. Okay? Thank you so much.
Stop. Do not twist around.
I'm not. I'm just simply asking for the name.
You're not resisting.
Is it
You'll
okay?
get all the information you need. All right? Just let us get you secured in handcuffs and we'll figure things out, okay?
Okay. I don't have no
again, I'm
autonomy.
sorry,
I'm not
guys.
even doing anything.
We really tried to give her every chance to walk out, but she didn't want to.
No, he didn't. I was just about to get out. I was just about to leave. You can ask anybody else.
Come on, now we're walking out.
It'll all be documented on body cam, remember?
Troy, can you grab her stuff and meet us downstairs?
That's ridiculous. How am I supposed to get arrested for? Oh, this is ridiculous.
Thank you.
I'm not about to go to jail. You guys are gonna let me go because
You're under arrest, man. You're going to jail
No,
right
I'm
now.
not. Then view the body cam. View the body cam. View the body cam.
Officers gave her a clear directive: stand up and leave. That directive was lawful. Refusing it was a mistake. She had music on. She couldn't hear. She needed a name. Every reason was a reason not to move. 3 warnings, then a 4th, then a final one. Each one on camera. Each one ignored. Under Florida Statute 843.02, resisting without violence does not require a physical struggle. Refusing to comply with a lawful order is enough. The moment she remained seated after the final stand up now, the second charge attached. Not when the cuffs went on, before. She told the officer she was about to leave. She was not leaving. The camera recorded both facts. I can't go to jail, I didn't do anything. That line was delivered before the arrest. The court reviewed it afterward. Officers called for backup, minimum force, one arm secured, then the other. No escalation beyond what the situation required. In handcuffs, she chanted, "Fear the body cam." The body cam agreed. It documented everything.
All right, give us a minute.
What's done is done.
Please.
All right, give us a minute.
What's done is done, okay?
No, please. I was about to get out, and I just asked for a name, and he put handcuffs on me. That makes no sense.
All right, we'll take a look at the cameras.
Please do. I was just about to leave. What
All right,
the
give us a
hell?
second, okay? Just bear with us.
I have work to go to. I have things to do.
All right, just
Next
bear with
time,
us, okay?
just get up and leave next time.
I promise you, I'm not a person that care about this life like that. There's other libraries I go to. I don't need this issue right now.
Okay. Next time, just follow instructions. Okay, that's all you gotta do is instructions, and nothing bad can happen.
I appreciate you for saying that.
That's all you gotta do. You're welcome.
Come on, let's go.
I have to go to work today. I cannot miss work.
I wish you would have just walked out with me the first time I asked.
I'm asking you for a name, and that's all I
It was
did.
on- it
I
was on
didn't
the
say
paper.
I'm not leaving. Usually there's a refusal. I would be like, okay, make me leave there or something like that. I did not do all that.
Okay.
I did not do that. It doesn't make any sense. I didn't even refuse anything. I just asked for a name. I thought you were gonna let me go.
No, you're going to jail, man.
I'm not going to jail. I only asked for a name. I didn't do any refusing.
Listen, we're beyond that.
Resisting is
Listen,
refusing.
stop. Yes. At this point, you're going to jail. Okay, don't make,
No,
listen,
I can't
listen.
possibly go to jail.
Sarge, you guys don't have a
Make things
female, right?
worse.
No
You're not
female.
doing anything extra.
I have
okay?
to contact my lawyer. I have to do all that. I did not
You
do
would
anything
be able to
wrong.
do that at the jail, but at
Just
this
if
point,
No, I
I don't mind
can't.
searching,
I
just,
can't.
you know.
I can't, sir. I can't.
well, that's what's
I
happening.
can't. I didn't even do anything wrong. Are you kidding? I just asked for a name.
Don't make anything worse because then
didn't
you're going to be in there
resist.
longer. If
Is this somebody that I didn't do anything wrong?
Here's your report electronics. That's all I found that looked like to have any value. Is there something else like
You have to explain the situation. I can't leave out the explain.
you're under arrest and you're going to jail? You're
There has to
back
be a reason, though. There has to be a reason. This doesn't make no sense.
trespassing.
That's it. But I didn't do anything. I just literally told the guy that I'm about to get up. I just forgot the name.
Grades: the officers get an A, methodical, patient, and fully documented. Under Graham versus Arizona, officer conduct is judged by what they knew in the moment. Every decision here holds. Cindy gets a D. Florida Statute 843.02 does not require physical resistance, only non-compliance with the lawful order. She gave them that the moment she stayed seated. The conviction followed. Less than a trespass notice includes an appeals process. That process begins after you leave, not while you're still in the building. Remaining seated to demand information you already had while an officer issues escalating warnings is not a legal strategy. It is the charge. If you want more body cam footage, the moments that turn a 30-second exit into a criminal record, hit subscribe. Drop a comment: was the arrest justified, or did officers escalate too fast? We'll see you in the next one.
Cindy was charged with trespassing in a structure and resisting without violence. Later on September 24, 2025, she pled nolo contendere, and she was subsequently adjudicated guilty on both charges. She was sentenced to 5 days in the Orange County Jail, with 5 days' time served and paid $686.03 in court costs.